Today, I'll show you how to install drivers in Windows 11, step by step. First, press the Windows key and open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Then select Optional Updates. Here you can check for available driver updates. In my case, there are no updates to install yet, but if any appear, you can select the drivers and click Download and Install. Next, I'll show you how to install drivers using Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Look for any device with a yellow warning icon. Right-click on that device and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search online and install the correct driver. If Windows cannot find a driver automatically, you can install it manually. For example, on an HP laptop, go to the official HP Support Drivers page. The website is support.hp.com/drivers. If you have a different brand, visit your manufacturer's official support website and search for your laptop or PC model. After you select your device, choose your operating system, like Windows 11. And now, select its version. Finally, press the Submit button. Once you select your laptop model, operating system, and version, you'll see a list of all available drivers. Here you can expand the categories, for example, audio, graphics, network, storage, keyboard, or multimedia. Find the driver you need and click the Download button next to it. After the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. Once all drivers are installed, restart your computer to apply the changes. This way, you can install drivers in Windows 11, either automatically through Windows Update or manually from your manufacturer's website.